Good morning, guys. Let's go over EOS. Out of all the coins that you guys send me articles for over email, this is the number one coin I get bullish articles for. Literally like 40 countries accepts the bullish exchange, like a lot of pumping coming on from the community. Is the coin going up? Yeah, it tried, but the whole market is going down. So what tells me that could happen is because there's a lot of things going on behind the scenes that are positive for EOS, and with the bullish exchange, even them coming out and looking to like change up leadership a little bit and actually get into some different projects, like it's really like bullish actually, like not to like talk about the bullish exchange only, but it's looking very nice. And you guys, thanks for sending me the articles. I appreciate that. I'm seeing them as well. So I want to go over EOS today and show you guys we may be crashing down below, below $2. I want to be honest. We may crash below $2. So I'm going to show you guys where my buy limits are set up in the actual exchange today. And I'm going to prepare you guys for this if it happens. Okay. We're currently sitting, I'm going to give you guys some evidence here of like, why listen to Travis? Guys, we have never lost a crypto trade on this channel ever. We are 100 for 100 wins. We started in March of this year. We didn't start previous. We literally just started the entire channel in March of this year, and we've been winning trades ever since then. We have never lost a trade. I'm trading with you guys, and in this, I'm literally going to show this to you guys today on EOS, but I'll show you this to you first. I'm trading with my own money, about $100,000 here. Whole market's going down, only down about 1.5%. That's incredible with what we've seen this last few days with this entire drop here, because the actual market itself has dropped about, let me give you guys just a little prediction here. I just want to show you guys some accuracy of why we're doing well. About 11%, and the account's only down like 1.5%. I'll explain to you guys in the second half of this video exactly how to get into our trades so you guys can take all of them with me and the rest of our team into 2022, because we're not going to stop. We're actually going to try to go 200 for 200 wins in 2022. Probably the best end of year Christmas gift you can give yourself is a membership to our platform. I'll go over that. It's not expensive at all. Trust me, I make it reasonable. Let's dive in here to EOS. All right, here's where I want to start. Bitcoin and Ethereum. You guys need to be looking at this. Bitcoin needs to stay above $45,000. If $45,000 is broken, if you watched the video I did yesterday I came out with, we are going to be moving down to $40,000. That is the next place of what's called a high volume node. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch on my channel the other video that says, are you prepared for a drop? 40,000 crash. I will explain to you and I show you not just with some ridiculous just little like drawing like, oh, here's a support here. I show you from an actual money perspective of where money's sitting at certain prices, and I'll show that to you guys on that video. If we hit 45,000, we break this ascending support line right here, we could be moving down here pretty greatly, okay? What we need to be looking at is this percentage. What does this percentage look like here for Bitcoin? If we see a move down, we're looking at about a 10% drop. Okay, if Bitcoin sees that and Ethereum comes over here and actually, this is not good, guys, honestly. If this breaks support and it heads down to the level of $2,700, are you guys prepared for EOS to go below $1? I know you guys are like, man, how can it go any lower? Because if you actually come over here and look at, this is one of the highs, which that's not actually the high. You actually come over here, and let me show this to you guys. You actually have to go to the daily time frame and look at the high back over here. This is the high. That's the high you just saw on the 4-hour chart. We've been at a high up here at the top prices of $23, guys, $23. A price movement back up to that area of where we're currently at is going to be astronomical for people in here. This is why this is my number one coin. 663%, and we're up here, about 400% profit. I am looking for, just to get back to the structure here, about 78% or about 115, and that's where I'm looking to take some profits out here. But follow me here. I want to explain this to you, and I want to show you guys where my buy limits are set up, okay? Are you prepared for a crash in the crypto market? My account right now is very bullish on EOS. It is my number one holding coin with 22% of everything, about $22,000 in the actual exchange here. And I've got about $7,000 available within buy limits right now. So let me show this to you guys, and I'll show you exactly where my buy limits are. Because if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know I injected $50,000 into the exchange, and I ended up buying EOS again. My first buy limit got hit, but my other three have not, and I'm going to explain those to you guys where they're at, all right? Come out and watch the whole video today and stick to the end, because I'm going to show you guys how to access the new buy limits for EOS, okay? But I have a lot of questions. You guys are like, hey, I want to know what you're currently in, Travis. So I'm going to show that to you guys. I got into the first one. I don't know exactly where the first one got filled. It's in the it's going to take too long for me to find it because I've done so many trades since then. Let me show you guys where my other buy limits are set up so I can show you my risk management if we go down. The next one is set at 260 and then 180 and 170. Okay, 260 is right here on the chart. Basically, we're structure low here with the wick value. But I have another one down here at $1.80 and 170. Okay, why $1.80 and 170? If you come over here on the chart and we actually come to the daily time frame over here and we look at 180 and 170, where does that place us? It places us right around this structure low here. Here's 180 and here's 170 right here. This is what I'm looking for. A possible move down to this structure around this area where even we started, seeing it bounce back down from there earlier. If we get down here, you guys need to prepare to have some money in the market. If not, are you guys actually prepared in your accounts right now to take another loss if we head down to that area of about another 42%? This is where EOS is headed before. The fact that it has a visual structure needs to be taken into account. Are you guys going to lose your positions because you over leveraged and you actually ended up doing margin on your trades? If we head down 41%, because I can guarantee you guys, anyone using 3x leverage, take 40 times 3, and that's 120%. You're going to get a margin call, and, and your trade's going to get closed automatically. Do you guys understand see how the math works on this? You must have good risk management here, guys. I am in this trade with you guys as well, with about... what did I say here? I'm not want to guess. I'll give you the exact amount. With that trade in there, about $22,000 within this trade. The first buy limit was hit here, second buy limit, third, and we actually hit the fourth buy limit. We're only 15% away from the entry. That's not far at all, okay? But I have more money in here to pick up the dip in case we go back down. So I want you guys to watch that. Now, let's move over into the price versus while money flow and the trend exhaustion and the trend dashboard. Okay. These indicators, shameless plug here, these indicators are going to be going up in price. You have less than 48 hours to snag these. It's the lowest you will ever be able to purchase these on our platform because I'm going to be up in the price in less than 48 hours. Literally tomorrow they're going up in price. So you call it one day if you want because it's going to go up in the evening on Friday, okay? Take a look at this. We were able to predict the drop back down in EOS. Now, how are we able to do this? Listen to this carefully. When the trend exhaustion pushes in the top red section, the well money flow gets to the top section as well. This is where we are expecting moves back down in the market, okay? Look at the previous time before that was in this area right here. We did not keep heading up here in this market. Yes, it went up and we started seeing a nice move, but it paused. It paused and we saw a move back down here. What did you guys also see on the market here? If you guys know how to call divergence on here, let me get this out because it will actually show you guys how we end up calling even bigger drops on the overall bigger cryptos. When you guys see price structure moving up and it's creating a high and another higher high, and then you guys look straight down here, and what happened with the flow of money? It had a high and a lower high. Money was flowing out of the market while the price started to move up. This is why the market moved back down. You cannot have the flow of money, the well money flow, literally guys, you cannot have the flow of money moving out of a market and price structure moving up without a negative correlation. Positive correlation means they both go up together. Negative correlation is what we're seeing here, and another word for this is divergence. Divergence of money flowing out while the price structure is going up gets retail traders caught on the wrong side of the market and we see crashes. Okay, that is how we've been able to call a lot of drops in crypto. This drop that we were able to call over here before this happened, and I was literally up with you guys Friday night when this happened. This was about 3 Fridays ago. I was looking at this. Trend exhaustion was very high. We saw the price versus while money flow high, and then that's when we saw the prediction of the crash back down. The trend exhaustion wasn't at the bottom. Yeah, it could have been at the bottom here because we saw structure lows. It was not though. It literally was calling the drop here. And then if you guys look back over here, this called the crypto drop as well from the top to the bear market that we've been in. Trend exhaustion very high, well money flow super high. That's where you guys need to watch for drops. Seriously, if you guys want the 2 best indicators on your side to trade and help you guys make money, it is these 2. Flat out. And you guys have 48 hours to snag them. I'm not going to keep talking about the sell in the videos because it's just going to get annoying. But I'm saying this so you guys don't have to miss out on it, okay? Because I'm not going to stop using these. And these indicators are what we're using to call exits. And we are 100 for 100 wins on this channel. All right, let's move over here into the actual metrics for EOS. I want to show this to you guys. We'll start here with the emotional index. We are pushing down into the anxious section here. And we could actually, if we break support, guys, we could be heading down to fearful very easily. This is why it's something you really need to watch. This support line right here needs to be kept true. It needs to stay above this level. If I'm going to call out a price, it needs to stay above 280. I'm also going to write this down for myself because obviously I have tens of thousands of dollars in here. So 280. That's the price we need to stay above because if it breaks that, it's going to just be an easy look to the next support on the chart. Anybody can see this. A break below this level is going to be wick value low. That's a 16 to 17% drop. Can your account handle it? I don't know. You better have cash in your account though. Seriously, you better have cash, guys. I have 40% cash, $40,000, very close, 38,900. You guys need to make sure you have cash set up in your accounts to be able to handle this drop if it happens. Look down here. What we're seeing here is that long trades completely moved out of the market and short trades increased. This is showing us that in this area here, before we saw the drop, people got out of long trades. I think more people are starting to realize, oh my gosh, like I'm not like trying to be joking about this. I had people email in and they're asking serious questions. They're like, Travis, we know a ton of people have these indicators now. And guys, the average coaching client I have is between $100,000 to $10 million. It's who I coach, like one-on-one, okay? With these indicators, the more people who use these, the more accurate we're actually going to help predict the prices because more people are using them and selling and buying with them. Okay? When you look over here and we're seeing the correlation of long trades drop out in the market when this happened, this could be partly to people over here that are in the market dropping the price down here because they see the divergence that I just showed you guys, okay? They're also looking at here, the money flow is high, trend exhaustion is high, and I know we have actually a lot of millionaires trading EOS. Look at the blockchain. It doesn't take a ton of $100 million in the market to get the price to move down. It just takes a few people to get the ball rolling, and when we come out here and we're looking at drops like this, and we have some of our traders exiting, hundreds of thousands of dollars, it's going to impact the price. We're not going to impact Bitcoin or Ethereum. That's just prideful, and we're never going to do that. But some of the lower cap coins, under Bitcoin here, like EOS and some of I would say Avalanche and Mana, we can start playing a role into that drop. Okay, follow me down here, guys. I want to continue. So looking at this with the long versus short trade risk, the favor lies on long trades for EOS. Do you guys see where we've come from? I showed this to you guys before, here's the high here and here's where we're currently at. But if you zoom out, this is not a high whatsoever. That is super, super low when you compare it to what we've seen in the past here. And this is on the 4-hour, and the daily time frame was about twice as high as this. Okay, it is insane how high this coin has been, and we are literally buying this down at this low level. Let me give you guys another quick snapshot overview of where we're currently at. Let's go to the 1 week. Do you guys see where we're currently at? That's where the price is, down here, and we're talking about this. Could we be at the bottom of a coin that is about to skyrocket in the next 2-3 months here? I think we could be at the bottom floor of something amazing. If we're not, I think at minimum we can come out here and snag a profit here of about 10 to 20%, and we can at least take that profit and trade it back and forth. Still an amazing coin to be in. Okay, sorry, I'm going to finish this up here, and I'm going to get you guys into our next trade so you can trade with us and show you everything like that. Long trades coming out in the market. This is telling us we're not fearful, we're not anxious. We are going to be buying with the wells and institutions. That's why I showed you guys my buy limits. Okay, when you guys are getting very greedy, they're going to be shorting you guys out, and the price is going to drop. While you guys are getting fearful and anxious, you're going to see wells start buying, and this is going to start going back up. Watch this. Okay, support and resistance prices. The next greatest resistance is at 350, and then we're looking at the support level here we've been talking about. I'm not going to go over this too much because we've been talking about this. The 243 level is where we could be breaking down, but we really need to stay above the psychological whole number of $3, okay? Looking down here at dollar cost average entries, you guys have received the best entries possible for dollar cost average diamond hand holders. All my diamond hand holders out there, giving a little shout out to you guys. You need to be watching this metric. If you want to come in here and you have $100,000 or $10,000 and you want to throw $1,000 into the market every time you see a green line, do that and you guys can ride this up. Here's where it's going to show you guys drops in the market before they happen. This is a great metric to be watching this, and this is what's been extremely accurate for us. None of our metrics, none of our indicators repaint. If you don't know what that is, look it up. Repainting. None of them repaint. They are all solid. Once the bar closes, everything is solid. It's why it's some of the best metrics and indicators you guys will ever find. I coded indicators for a living for TradingView.com customers a couple years ago. Now we're coming up on 2.5 years because we're almost done with this year. But none of the indicators repaint. I made for sure on that. These are the highest quality indicators you guys can receive. I literally just recoded these two to make them more accurate. Let me show you guys now how to get into our membership so you guys can trade with us. It's very simple. It's super cheap, literally. It's just $49 a month. This is going to give you guys access to all the metrics as well as all of the entries for all of our coins and access into the Telegram channel where you guys are going to be able to get all of my calls for exiting trades. You guys will not find something cheaper than this for the win rate. I believe we have the highest win rate on all of crypto trades on YouTube. So when you guys come over here, you're joining us in that win rate because I'm going to start taking trades with you guys in 2022, and we're all going to do this as a family. Get this membership because it is going to be going up in price, okay? We are going to be upping this because we're hiring on more employees because we're exploding right now because people are realizing they may may never have to lose a crypto trade again with the strategy, and people are loving this. They're making money. Look at the profit section over here. That's why I keep it over here. We update this like on an every week basis. It's insane what people are doing over here, where people are waking up in the morning sometimes, they're making $4,000. I've shown that to you guys. This guy does $1,900 since he's joined, and he's won every single trade. If you guys read this, you'll see this all the time. Even in the YouTube comments I was watching the other day, look, $12,000 on Solana alone. I was reading the YouTube comments yesterday, and there's people gathering together like, hey, have you lost trades? Like, no, I've never lost trades trading this channel. And people are like, yeah, this is actually a place, guys, not trying to like pat myself on the back to make it sound arrogant or anything like that, but with the risk management and the indicators, people are doing well. $20,000 in crypto and stocks with the trend exhaustion, the price for swell money flow. These indicators are the ones you guys want to get. So this membership is going to give you access to the metrics as well as the entries over here, as well as the Telegram channel. Indicators are sold separately. I'll show that to you guys in a second. Watch this. Every single one of our trades that we have called out here have all originated from this one website page right here on the front page where it says live trades. Today we're talking about EOS, so I want to come down here and show you guys where this is at. Click right here into EOS. You actually have to click the title EOS Live Trading. Once you do that, you're going to see a chart that looks exactly like Bitcoin, and I'm going to show you guys Bitcoin. This is actually already updated this morning. This should say 730. Yep, perfect. We're saying 730. All the charts have updated. So when you guys get into EOS today or any of our other coins, you're going to see three things: price action in white, 4 buy limits, and you're going to see a sell limit. Guys, EOS could keep dropping, so please do yourself a favor and set up 4 buy limits on your accounts, and don't just put all your money into a low price thinking it's just going to go up. You need to be using good risk management here. Here's how you trade our strategy for all of our coins. Here's how we're not losing trades. Let's say, for example, you want to trade with $1,000. You're going to split this $1,000 into 4 equal portions, so $250 each. $250 at this buy limit and price, $250, $250, $250. You guys cannot miss the prices. They are literally in neon yellow. Put them in here into your exchange. It's very simple. Put all your buy limits in at the same time. Once your first buy limit is hit, I want you guys to set up your sell limit here, okay? So next thing to do is very simple. Join me in the Telegram channel. Sign into Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then you guys want to click this, and that will give you a hot link over into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits with the indicators, price for swell money flow. So the indicator sell, you guys have literally less than 48 hours left. You guys are going to be able to get all of our indicators for 84% off. This price will never be lower than this again. I may come out with this deal again, but our indicators will never be lower than this discounted price ever again, okay? When you click this link, on today, when you guys click this and you guys get the indicators, get the coupon code plugged in. It is Christmas. That will give you guys an extra $50 off the listed price, which in 48 hours, less than 48 hours, the bundle pack is going to go up $50 from the discounted price with the coupon code Christmas. So make sure you guys are getting this. Here's the deal on this. You guys want to, at minimum, get the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion indicators, these three, because I use them on all of my analysis on exit calls in the Telegram channel. Look, all the exit calls over here, as well as all of the YouTube video analysis. This is how we're able to call drops in the market. This is how I called this drop over here, guys, and we were waiting for this to move back down. It's how we called the market drop in crypto over here at the high where we started getting into the bear market. Well, money flow was high and trend exhaustion was high as well. We have people making tens of thousands of dollars just on the indicators alone, on top of the membership because they're trading with the buy limits. It's insane. So if you guys want to get the best deal, it's getting these three. It's better to get the bundle pack because I'm going to be using the other indicators in this next year to show you how to use some of these other ones. I've already shown you guys how to use the pressure gauge, and it's incredible how that works, okay? So today, make sure you guys are picking this up before the day's over. Use coupon code Christmas at checkout, and you guys will get all of our indicators. You get them for life, and you get the source code to the indicators as well, so nobody can take them away from you. It's a one-time purchase. The membership is monthly, clearly right here. But the indicators are a one-time purchase, and you never have to purchase them again after that. If you have ever purchased, last thing I'm going to say here, I'm going to end this video. If you guys have ever purchased individual indicators with us, and you're like, Travis, I love this discount because it's the cheapest you'll ever have it, and it is true, send our team an email at betradeconfident@gmail.com and say, hey, I purchased the price for swell money flow, and I want you guys to send me a PayPal invoice for the difference because I want the bundle pack. I want the other 8 indicators, and I don't want to have to overpay for it. We will say, absolutely, sir, you got it. We will send you a PayPal invoice and you guys will get the difference. I'm not going to make you pay the whole bundle pack price if you've already purchased individual indicators in the past. I don't care if you've used the coupon code and you've got them on discount. Whatever you paid even on discount, I will go ahead and still honor that, and I will give you guys the difference. Just email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com today or anytime, and I will always upgrade you guys to the best bundle pack deal without having to pay any more money, okay? That's my word to you guys because I want to help you out here. All right, so the deal on this video is this, guys. Set up your buy limits. Get some money ready for EOS to drop, but also if you don't have money in EOS, get some money set up based off the buy limits over here on EOS so you guys can have some money in the game, because there's no telling if this market's going to start shooting up really fast or if it's going to keep going down. So at least having at least 25% in the market will get you guys some money in the market if we go up, but having those other 3 buy limits in the market will keep you guys safe if we crash back down, and I'm going to teach you guys how to stay safe with your trading. That's my promise to you guys, all right? God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing New Year's. I will come out with videos tomorrow, but I won't see you guys if you're just watching the EOS video tomorrow. Have a great New Year's. I'm just going to keep the videos rolling in 2022, so make sure you guys get the indicators before that price goes up in less than 48 hours, okay? Get them before Friday, guys. Get these before they go up. Make sure you guys are getting into the membership because that's going to be going up next year as well. And making sure you guys are getting into the buy limits for the trades and get into the Telegram channel. Literally, the Telegram channel is free. Once you guys get your membership over here, you guys just get, sorry, those are profits. Once you guys get into the membership over here, you guys get the Telegram access. Click this link right down here and you guys can get into the Telegram, and that's it, okay? Very, very simple. And here's any questions you guys have about the membership. Everything's straightforward. God bless you guys. Get everything you need in the description as well as the first YouTube comment, and I will see you guys in the next video. Let's see if we can go 110 for 110 wins in the month of January and try to hit 200 for 200 wins in the year of 2022. I'll see you guys later. Everything you need is in the description. Let's keep doing this. Let's make some money, guys, and happy New Year. Bye, guys.